Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. And here is how it looks so far. I know I did part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 on how to crochet a rustic rooster curtain. So we started from here, fold away, back and forth. And it turned out fantastic. I'm really happy with the end result. So I just wanted to tape it on the bigger area because it did hit my screen while I was doing the tutorial, but it's just fantastic. So what you do is you starting from here, and then you crochet as many roosters as you want. But this is one of the part of the rooster. I did the tutorial with you guys, and I use this gorgeous cotton yarn that I have bought from Crochet Filet from Turkey, and it's just fantastic. I'm really happy with the thread. It is thin, but like I said in the tutorial, you don't have to use the thread. You can use any material that you have to decorate your home. You can make pillowcases. Oh, it's endless. Yeah. So you have the main graphic that I showed you how to do it. You start it from here and then you continue crocheting. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you how it looks like. And I just love it, love it, love it. So stay tuned for my other videos that I'm going to be making pretty soon, hopefully. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified that I have something new for you guys. You guys take care. Bye-bye. Happy crocheting.